City Tarot. So today we are going to do a pick a card reading requested by one of the viewer. She requested for a reading of is it one-sided love or mutual love, or is it unrequited love, or love is there mutual. She asked me to do the reading, so let's do the reading. But before doing the reading, I would like to request you all to like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. So if you want any personal reading, please see the details given below in the description box. Okay, then don't forget to comment if my reading is resonated. If it did not resonate, please check my other readings. And please note that these are general readings and they may or they may not resonate with all the viewers, whoever is viewing this reading. Okay, then that's all. I request you all to let me know what type of readings you want to see next. Then that's all. So let's start today's reading. We have as usual 3 piles here. So first pile number 1 is the elephant. Then second pile is the camel. And third pile is the beautiful peacock. Okay, whichever pile you are intuitively connected with, you can choose the pile. And we will start today's reading. Is it one-sided love or you love each other? It is mutual or not? We will see. Let's start with pile number 1. Pile number 1, this elephant. Okay, let's see what cards want to say. Let's see what is this angels want to say. Please angels, guide us, give us some clarity, give us some guidance. Please tell us, pile number 1 person loves them or not. Is this love mutual or this is one-sided love? Please let us know. Please give us some clarity. Is this love one-sided or mutual? Please give us some clarity. We will take one more guidance card also at the end from Indian Tarot, Sacred Indian Tarot. So, angels, please guide, please help. Is this one-sided love or is it mutual? So both have feelings towards each other. Please give us some guidance. Okay, so in this pile right now I can see that your person might be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I can feel that strongly this Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy I can see here. Then I can see that Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces and very less amount of less number of people. They have Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. And I can see that this is a long-term, long-distance relationship. And I can also see that this person is having some family issues. Then one family member is stopping him from communicating with you or contacting with you. Maybe that person is a mother or a sister, someone is elder to him. That is what this person is, that's the reason he is not able to communicate with you. But I can see that this is not one-sided love, this is mutual, because this person wants a marriage with you, happy family with you. I can see the 10 of Cups. 10 of Cups is a love card, then family card, marriage, engagement. So definitely this is mutual, friends, and this is not a one-sided one. So Queen of Pentacles reversed means that this person wants to come out of the stagnant situation. This person is very strong and he wants to come towards you and offer you the some gift or something. This person is waiting for you with 2 of Wands. I can see that this person is waiting from long distance and he is looking at you. He is waiting for the right time. He is feeling very, very sad and depressed because he is not in communication with you. He is not contacting you. With 5 of Cups, I can say that. So Knight of Pentacles means definitely this person want to come towards you, but he is not running or rushing towards you. He is coming little slow, very slowly he is coming, and this person want to come and want to express his love towards you. You can see Knight of Pentacles here, then Queen of Pentacles. Pentacles are more here, and this person might be having some financial issues also. That is the reason this person is not coming towards you. But strongly I can see some family issues are there. One person, one elderly lady is stopping him from coming towards you. But this definitely this connection is mutual, because two means they also he have some options. Two options are there, but definitely this person will choose you, because I can see here he is waiting for you, and he is like waiting for a right time. Because of the 10 of cups, I can say that this person will choose you, and he wants to come right now. As of now, he was not expressing that much about his love feelings, or his love. He is not expressing his love towards you, but definitely this person want to come towards you, and will express his love, and he wants to come towards you, and offer his love towards you. So definitely this person have two choices, I can see, but he will choose you because of the 10 of cups. As I said earlier, he has lot of financial issues, then family problems, then that is the reason he's thinking a lot, like very sad. He's turning outside of opposite of you, like he's not looking at you right now because of all these problems, but he's thinking, he's planning, he's planning for your future. Then this person may be dealing with karmic partner also, but this love is definitely mutual, friends. And we will take some guidance card also from Sacred Indian Tarot, and see what angels want to say, and what angels want to tell you in this situation, what to do. So please, angels and spirit guides, please help us, guide us, and give us some guidance in this situation. What is file number 1 should do to come into union with their partner, or their lover, or their twin flame. Please give us some guidance. Please give us some clarity. Okay, the Magician. So angels are saying that everything is in your hand. You are the magician, and you can manifest the thing. Everything is in your hand. So how to communicate, how to deal with your person. So only thing is, you both need to be open, and you both need to communicate well to move this connection ahead, or one step above what you are right now. So everything is depending on you. Whoever is the female in this connection, they have the power and authority to manifest whatever they want to do. So how to communicate, and how can they change the situation, how can they support the partner to come towards them. So everything is in your hands. The Magician card came. This is the guidance for you. So please have a positive attitude, and try to communicate with the other person if you have any problems, communication problems, or any clashes or something. So because 10 of cups card is there, so that means definitely this person loves you, and both of you are in mutual love. This is not a one-sided love. Okay, so if you like this reading, please like and share this video, and subscribe to my channel, friends. Then that's all for today. Then tomorrow we will meet with another reading, another pick a card reading. Then let's go to pile number 2. Pile number 2, the Camel. Let's see what your person is thinking, and what this person, whether he loves you, or this is one-sided love, or everything is in your head, or you are dreaming, hallucinating, what you are doing. Is this love mutual? Please, spirit guides, angels, please help us, please guide us. Is this love mutual or one-sided? Is this love mutual or one-sided? Please give us some clarity. Please give us some guidance. Is this love one-sided? Is this love one-sided or mutual? 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 this love one-sided or mutual? Please give us some guidance. Please give us some clarity. Please let us know. Yeah. Okay. You can see that you might be dealing with Capricorn, then Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or you might be dealing with Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Then let me see. So maybe Scorpio. Okay, so as I said, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Very few of you, very less number of people might be dealing with Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Okay, I can see in this relationship lot of passion, lot of attraction, lot of physical attraction is there in this connection. This person, whomever you are dealing with, this person is very much attracted towards you and very passionate and very possessive also. This person is kind of devil energy. This person doesn't want to leave you, or he never wants you to see with somebody else. And but this person has a choice of two people. Okay, this person definitely have an option of choosing two people with two of swords, I can say that. But this person definitely loves you. This three of cups is there. So this person is right now, he is a little bit into third party situation, but it is not very serious and all. Maybe just that person might be talking or flirting, but nothing serious in this. But this person is definitely have lot of strong attraction towards you. But also I can see that with the Queen of Cups and Knight of Cups, he is having lot of love and care also towards you. This person wants to take care of you. He wants to have you in his life. And he has both actually. Passion also is there, then he has love and care also towards you. This person want to have you in his life, and he wants to keep you as a treasure. Like he wants to take care of you, very nurturing and caring connection I can see here. Because Knight of Cups means this person is slowly and steadily coming towards you with his cup of love. Cups means definitely it is a love connection, and that person also loves you a lot. There is no doubt about it. We can see Knight of Cups here, Queen of Cups, then Three of Cups. So all the cups energy, even the devil is there. So definitely this person want to come towards you, and he wants to offer his cup of love. Then even Knight of Pentacles also, he want to come towards you and offer a gift to you. This person wants to come, and two knights are there in the reading, means definitely this person will be reaching out to you very soon. Because this is movement and moving, fast moving energy. At least I cannot say very fast, because this Cups and Pentacles both are very slow moving energies, but both are together in one reading. That means definitely this person is going to contact you very soon. That's what I can see here. And this is our question was, is this connection one-sided or mutual? As the card says that it is mutual. This person also have lot of love towards you, and he wants to have a stable and strong long-term relationship because of the Knight of Cups. Okay, this person wants to offer you some commitment, and he wants to give you some long-term commitment, maybe marriage or live-in relationship, anything. This person want to offer you that cup of love. He is coming towards you. So definitely this person will contact you soon, and he might be coming with a gift to offer you also. Okay, this is what I can see. Pile number 2. Let's see what angels are giving you the guidance. Please give us some guidance, angels. One guidance card we need for pile number 2. One guidance card we need for pile number 2. How this connection will turn up, how this connection will evolve. Please give us some guidance. Please give us some guidance. Okay, Justice. So friends, I can definitely say this connection is leading to marriage. Justice means marriage. So this person want to give justice to this connection, and this person want to give you a long-term commitment, and definitely this will lead to marriage, because you can also see here both the hands are joining together, and they are saying namaste, and this means two souls are meeting together, and definitely this connection will get the justice. So definitely this is a marriage card, and I am very happy for pile number 2. You both are having mutual love, mutual interest, mutual passion. Okay, then everything, love, care, everything is mutual here. So definitely this connection will lead to marriage. That's all I have for you, pile number 2. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and see you tomorrow with another reading, another pick a card reading. Until then, bye. Now pile number 3, this beautiful peacock. Okay, let's see what your person is going to say. So Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Raphael, please give us some guidance whether this connection is mutual or one-sided. Is the viewer, whoever is viewing this, are they having in their mind, or this is a mutual connection? Please give us some guidance. Please give us some clarity. Is this connection mutual, or is it one-sided? So is it in their head or it is mutual? Please give us some guidance. Please give us some clarity. Okay, I can see here the Magician, High Priestess, Two of Cups, then Two of Pentacles, Six of Swords, then 10 of Swords. Okay, so definitely I can see that you people might be dealing with Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, I can see all these signs here. Then what I can see here is you are a great manifester. You are in soulmate connection here. So this connection is very pure and divinely connected, divinely guided connection. And Two of Cups, definitely this means that this is a love connection, and both of you love each other. So there is no doubt about it. Both of you are like this. Two of Cups also means that this connection can lead to marriage, partnership, long-term relationship. So this card is very positive card here. The even High Priestess also, the Magician also. Magician means you have the capacity, you have the capability to manifest whatever you want in this life. You are kind of a magician. You can turn this relationship into anything. Like if you want this connection, you can definitely manifest this. And High Priestess is very strong, powerful lady in this person's life, and this person is also not telling you the truth, and this person is not opening up and not telling his true intentions, or his love towards you. This person is not expressing. This could be a long-term, long distance relationship. I can see with the Six of Swords. Six is a love card, then Two of Cups is a love card. I can see that. So this person is very far from you. He need to travel and come towards you. So there is a travel also, travel card. Six of Swords also is a travel card. So this person want to come towards you, want to meet you. He will travel towards you and express his love. But definitely this person is having to have an option of choosing with two people, like you and the other person, because two cards are there, Two of Cups and Two of Pentacles. But definitely this person will choose you, and this infinity symbol is there in both the Magician and Two of Pentacles also. Definitely this relationship is not a normal one. This is a soulmate or twin flame connection, and you both will have, it is a soulmate actually. He or she will be is your soulmate, and this is divinely guided connection. But this person is juggling with these two people right now, he need to decide and he need to come to the calmer waters. Right now he is not in a very good energy. 10 of swords, you can see lot of lies, deceit, deception, then a lot of secrets. Actually, this person is having a lot of secrets that he is not telling to you. Maybe this person is having some addictions in his life, some drinking problem or drugs or anything. It could be anything. So this person is having some addictions which he is not telling you, and this person, maybe this person need to choose you or over his addictions. So maybe this person is thinking that whom I should choose, my addiction or my love. So this person definitely loves you, there is no doubt about it. But the problem is which one he will choose. Definitely he want to choose you only. But to come out of this addictions and pain, maybe he is having some health issues also. And I can see that this person is not a very young person. This person is matured enough, old enough, and he is into a very strong, powerful position. And but only thing is, he is little bit introvert. He will not express his feelings properly, and till now maybe I doubt that this person might have expressed his love to you or not. That much like introvert this person is. Even you can see the last bottom of the deck, you can see the Queen of Cups. This person is having lot of love towards you, but the problem is his situation is like that. He is long distance, and because of this corona quarantine, this person cannot travel towards you and come towards you. But definitely this person want to come towards you and express his love, but he cannot control these secrets anymore. I feel that definitely he will come towards you and offer his cup of love, and he will share all his feelings and situations and all the addictions, whatever the secrets he has. Definitely this person will express to you. So pile number 3, this is also mutual, and very much this person is in love with you. But only thing is, this person is not able to feel it. Actually, this person is not able to decide whether to choose mind or heart. Okay, this person is not able to understand why these feelings are like this. Is this a love or something? Maybe this person is very materialistic, and so he is concentrating on pentacles now, finance and money, career and all. So maybe this kind of connection is new to him. You are giving him lot of love with the High Priestess card. You are giving him lot of love and your affection and your divine connection. So this person definitely feels the connection, but he's not able to understand what kind of a relation is this. But surely this person will come towards you. He loves you a lot. He want to offer you marriage, commitment, then engagement. Let us see what the angels are guiding, what the Indian tarot card says us. Please give us some guidance. Please, when this union will happen, when these people will meet together, please give us some guidance. Even though that person is having love, he is not able to share or take any action. Please give us some guidance. I can see the action card here. He will come towards you with he will travel towards you, and he will come maybe in the month of June. He will contact you. Then definitely he will come towards you and offer the cup of love. So have patience, friends. Pile number 3. Let us see the guidance card. Okay, again justice. Even the pile number 2 also justice. Justice means marriage. Two souls are meeting together. This connection will definitely have justice. So whatever patience you have shown till now, and whatever loyalty, whatever honesty you have shown into this connection, this will definitely have the justice. You will have the justice in this relationship. This is definitely not one-sided love, friends. This is mutual. So congratulations. I'm very happy for pile number 3. Okay, so that's all I have for today. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. And share these videos with your friends also. Then that's all for today. Tomorrow I will meet with another pick a card reading. Till then, bye. Good night.